Now, you're trying to take care of some of the source of the oil leakage with this, so we're replacing the rear main. Is that correct on this guy?
Yes, we're going to replace the whole rear main housing. This is a Dorman kit, and it does come with new bolts. And the reason why is it's got the factory back plate that has been changed 2 or 3 times already before we got the motor.
Wow.
So I know there's an issue with that rear main seal. I think whoever did it before I got a hold of this motor scarred it up.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to pull that back cover off, replace the whole cover. That way we know we got a good tight seal, and we're going to do just like we did on the Blazer, and put a little coating of RTV along the back, the right stuff, just to make sure that that backside's not going to leak any.
We're going to replace the whole plate assembly. We're going to RTV the areas for potential leaks, and we're putting the oil assembly back on. Is that correct?
Yeah. Now GM does not recommend using any type of sealant or anything like that because it's aluminum to aluminum with a special gasket. I do, just because I don't want to keep fooling with this. Pulling a motor out of these S10 conversions is a royal pain. So I just want to have that extra security so we don't have to worry about it again.
So you're a peace of mind.
Yeah.
Good deal. All right, and that's one of the benefits of doing custom work. If GM says you shouldn't do that, you could do it anyways.
Well, here's the new one. You can actually kind of see I can move this seal around a little bit. So it's hard, but it's soft at the same time. Where on this one, you could see it's got a little bit of flex, but right there on the back side, it is hard. So it's definitely leaking. So we can definitely go through. It is mainly the back side's a little hard, but it's not too bad. But you can see all the damage that was done by the previous motor engine.
All right, and should that have been changed out from the get-go, or?
Yeah, I did put a new seal in. That is a new seal, but you can see where it's been marred up quite a bit from the previous owner.
Fair enough. A whole lot harder to get on.